a small errand today. Beautiful day, so I thought I'd just take the DT. Went out to another bike night the other night with Chris. Wasn't very exciting though. I think we arrived a little too late, so we missed all the action. Maybe I'll put up a few clips in a couple days on that. I gotta get another snowmobile video out to you guys. I'm gonna lose some of that pack if I don't hurry up. So when Chris and I were out riding, we were talking about distance and how far you'd go, and you know, and one of the things that come up all the time that I talk to guys, it doesn't matter. I've ridden mountain bikes, road bicycles, ATVs, snowmobiles. It doesn't matter what you're riding. One of the big complaints is numb hands, and it's kind of simple. There's no real cure from it. I think if you're in one body position for a long time, you know, it's bound to happen. So, especially some motorcycles, your hands are more elevated than others. It's all about blood flow. So, you know, like, you know, some people say after long rides, it's like their hand fall asleep. They go numb. Well, like I said, cyclists, ATVers, snowmobilers, motorcyclists, they all get the numb hands. And it doesn't matter, I find, with experience, if you don't change your riding habits, it's always still going to happen. And the biggest tip I can give on numb hands is if they start to feel some tingling, then change your position. So you might be like this, riding. Well, just raise your elbows up more for a bit until that sensation goes away, or lower them if you've been riding with them up. So on mountain bikes and bicycles, you can change the position of your hands on the handlebars. You don't really have that freedom on a motorcycle, but maybe move them out a bit to the edge, you know. So it's, you know, a safe, you got to keep in mind safety as well. And then the other big thing that people make a mistake of is grabbing too tight. You know, the white knuckle grip on the handlebars. Yeah, a nice loose grip. Like, I'm hardly touching the bars. I mean, the bike is staying upright on its own, and you know, there's no fears of letting go or wiping out. You know, like, just, well, you know, a great band once said, well, you know what, I'll leave it to them. Cue the 38 Special. Something like that. You didn't know I was a rocker, did you? Good views up here. Beautiful scenery. That's about all I've got. So that's it. Hold on loosely. Don't let go. If you cling too tightly, you're gonna get numb hands. You won't lose control. So hopefully that little tip helped you guys out. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like my singing, don't tell anybody. and subscribe. The subscribe button's usually in that corner right there, little symbol. Maybe it's that corner, I don't know. Left my freaking blinker on again. It's in one of the corners. You'll see a little symbol. I'll put it at the end of the video as well. But that's Numb Hands in a nutshell.